Winter is a season of cozy sweaters, warm drinks, and chilly winds. But along with its charm, it often brings a set of challenges for the skin, especially the lips. Dry, chapped, and even darkened lips are among the most common problems people face as the cold air strips away natural moisture. The harsh winds and low humidity levels make it difficult for our lips to stay soft and hydrated, leaving them cracked and uncomfortable. Most people turn to store-bought moisturizers, lotions, or petroleum jelly to deal with the issue. While these products can provide temporary relief, they often contain chemicals that do not offer long-lasting protection. In fact, over time they can sometimes worsen the dryness. So what's the solution? The answer lies in simple natural remedies that you can prepare right at home. Homemade lip balms are not only cost-effective but also safe, nourishing, and easy to make. With just a few ingredients from your kitchen, you can create a balm that keeps your lips soft, supple, and healthy throughout the winter season. Here's how you can make your own lip balm at home. Start with a base ingredient like coconut oil or shea butter. These natural moisturizers are rich in fatty acids and vitamins that deeply hydrate the lips. Next, add a small amount of beeswax. Beeswax helps lock in moisture and gives your balm a smooth texture. If you don't have beeswax, you can use cocoa butter as an alternative. To enhance the healing properties, mix in a few drops of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture. It also has antibacterial qualities that protect your lips from infections caused by cracks. For pleasant fragrance and added benefits, you can include a drop or two of essential oils such as lavender, peppermint, or rose. Once your ingredients are ready, melt them together using a double boiler or a simple bowl placed over hot water. Stir until the mixture blends smoothly. Pour it into a small container and let it cool. Within minutes, you will have your very own homemade lip balm ready to use whenever your lips need a touch of care. This natural remedy not only saves your money but also ensures that your lips are nourished with pure, chemical-free ingredients. So, this winter, instead of relying on expensive products, embrace the goodness of homemade lip care. Your lips will thank you with softness, shine, and a healthy glow. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe to Argus English for more such videos.